Today we're diving into the world of satellite TV and showing you how to connect your Dish TV receiver to your Samsung Smart TV. Whether you're a new subscriber or just looking to streamline your setup, I've got you covered. So let's dive into this. First things first, let's gather our tools. You'll need an HDMI cable to connect the Dish TV receiver to your Smart TV. Make sure you have one handy before we get started. Next, locate the HDMI port on your Smart TV. It's usually labeled as HDMI or HDMI in. Simply plug one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI port on your Dish TV receiver and the other end into the HDMI port on your Smart TV. Once the cable is securely connected, power on both your Smart TV and your Dish TV receiver. Your TV should automatically detect the receiver and display the Dish TV interference. Now use your TV remote to select the correct HDMI input. This will vary depending on the TV model, but it's typically labeled HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and so on. And just like that, you're all set. You've successfully connected your Dish TV receiver to your Smart TV, giving you access to a world of entertainment at your fingertips. If this video was helpful, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.